Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Report's online morning update for the 19th of October 2011. The rollercoaster ride on global markets continued overnight, with American markets surging amid solid earnings and hopes for a final resolution to Europe's debt crisis. Traders took yesterday's downbeat comments from Germany's finance minister in their stride, instead focusing on a news report that Europe's bailout fund could be boosted to €2 trillion. Whilst not confirmed, this latest move to beef up the fund would go a long way to recapitalising most of the region's banks and limit the spread of debt contagion. On the other side of the Atlantic, financials were the big winners amid solid profit updates from a pair of banking giants. Bank of America led the advance on the Dow with its 10% surge delivered on the back of an increase in quarterly earnings. Goldman Sachs was another notable gainer after flagging cost-cutting measures in response to a rare quarterly loss. The biggest rallies were in the US, where the key indices rose between 1% and 2% each. The UK and Germany rallied strongly from their earlier lows, however were unable to finish in the black. It was a mixed bag among the commodities, with gold and copper slipping on reports US commodity regulators are looking at imposing position limits on futures trading. However, oil was the exception, surging to its highest level in over a month, amid easing fears over the potential for another global economic crisis. The 4150 region provided solid support for the SPI overnight, which tracked higher alongside international markets. The index rallied past 4250 before giving up some of its gains towards the end of the US session. Following the big night on the SPI, the Aussie market is set to open around 50 points higher this morning.
Get free access to our daily reports and recommendations now. Visit australianstockreport.com.au/try.